Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to refresh data source here in Google Data Studio. Let's begin. Refreshing a data source in Google Data Studio or Looker Up Studio is a straightforward process that is essential to ensure that your reports display the most up-to-date data. Okay, because basically this application automatically refreshes data from most connectors such as Google Sheets, BigQuery, and Google Analytics, typically every 5 minutes. However, the frequency may vary depending on the data source and usage limits. Now, I want you to go to this specific page that you are currently working in. In my case, I'm going to be working on this data. I want you to click on the edit, because if you are on the view mode, you're not going to be able to refresh this data. And this data came from this Excel sheet, or the Google Sheet, I'm sorry, on how to refresh data source. I'm switching over to my Google Sheets right now. This is going to be the data source here on the Google Sheets. For example, I wanted to type in like maybe deep. So this changes should automatically update on the Looker Up Studio, right? As you can see, nothing happens. I'm gonna zoom it in. You see, nothing happens, right? Now, for you to be able to see the most updated data, right, all you're gonna do is hover to the upper right corner, go to more options, and click on the refresh data. If you click that, you see that it automatically refreshes. Okay, and that's how you basically refresh data source here in Google Data Studio. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.